is the question given in JEE 2021 February session. You observe A, B are 2 points. P is a point on this circle such that PA square plus PB square have maximum value, then PAB lies on. Here, to understand the question, I drawn a diagram here. You observe the points A and B. In these 2 points, x coordinate is 1. So we can easily say that these points lies on the line x equal to 1. You observe this is the line x equal to 1. Okay. So here A is 1 comma 4, B is 1 comma minus 5. We can easily say that these 2 points lies on a line x equal to 1. Okay. And P is a point on the circle. Here you observe I just marked the point P here, but exactly I don't know where this point P is. But P is a point on the circle. The point P may be here or maybe here, it may be anywhere. P is a point on the given circle such that they are saying that PA square plus PB square have maximum value. PA square plus PB square have maximum value. Then the points PAB lies on. You can observe here already the points A and B lies on a line. Now where the point P lies, if I can identify where this point P is, then I can easily say that the points PAB lies on parabola or straight line or hyperbola or ellipse. I hope you understand the question. If you already learned theory of circles, I request you to pause this video and try the solution your own. For the circle equation, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. Now for this circle, what are the parametric points? If I take a point P like this, P equal to h plus r cos theta, comma k plus r sin theta. Parametric points in this circle equation, in place of x if I write this, in place of y if I write this, it satisfies. This we learn in theory part of circles. You observe given circle equation x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 1. From this we can easily say that h comma k is 1 comma 1 and r is also 1. So I taken the point P is like this. Now what the point P will become? The point P will be, look here, h plus r cos theta. Here h is 1, r is also 1. So what the point P will become? This is 1 plus cos theta, comma k plus r sin theta. K value is 1, r value is also 1. So this point P is 1 plus cos theta, comma 1 plus sin theta. Now I know the point P. What is point P? 1 plus cos theta, comma 1 plus sin theta. Okay. In the question only they given what is point A, point B. Point A is given as 1 comma 4. Point B is given as 1 comma minus 5. Now they given that PA square plus PB square have maximum value. What I'll do, I'll calculate PA square. I know the point P, I know the point A. I can calculate PA square by using distance formula. Calculate PA square. PA square equal to, as I am writing PA square, I am not writing square root here. You can observe distance formula. Apply distance formula. 1 plus cos theta minus 1, that is cos square theta, plus 1 plus sin theta minus 4. 1 plus sin theta minus 4 is sin theta minus 3 whole square. If we expand this, what you will get? Cos square theta plus, you expand this, what you will get? Sin square theta plus 9 minus 6 sin theta. Okay. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So what you will get? This is 10 minus 6 sin theta. Similarly, as you know the point P and the point B, you calculate PB square. As I am writing PB square, I am not writing square root. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. So 36 plus 1 is 37. 37 plus 12 sin theta. Now in the question they given that PA square plus PB square have maximum value. They given that PA square plus PB square have maximum value. So what I'll do, I'll calculate PA square plus PB square. You just add PA square and PB square. PA square plus PB square equal to, that means I am adding 1 and 2. Okay. If we add these two, 37 plus 10 is 47. Okay. 47 plus 12 sin theta minus 6 sin theta is plus 6 sin theta. Plus 6 sin theta. Now PA square plus PB square I got like this. In the question they given that PA square plus PB square is maximum. You can observe here in this, whenever sin theta is maximum, then 47 plus 6 sin theta will be maximum value. It can be understood easily. Maximum value of sin theta is 1. Whenever sin theta is maximum, at that time PA square plus PB square is maximum. Maximum value of sin theta is 1. Na? When sin theta equal to 1, what is theta? Theta equal to pi by 2. That means PA square plus PB square is maximum when theta equal to pi by 2. When theta equal to pi by 2, PA square plus PB square is maximum. You observe what is point P? 1 plus cos theta comma 1 plus sin theta. Now I'll substitute that theta value to get the point P. You put theta equal to pi by 2 in this point P. Then what you will get? You will get P equal to 1 plus cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0, comma 1 plus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So P is what? P is 1 comma 2. The point P is 1 comma 2. Given circle is with center 1 comma 1, radius 1. So you can easily understood that this length is 1, this length is also 1. So that point comes here. That point P will be here. Now you observe what they are asking in the question. The points PAB lies on. You see here the point PAB. All these 3 points lies on a straight line x equal to 1. So these 3 points lies on a straight line. So which option is the right option? Second option is the right option. I hope you understand this solution.